Welcome everyone. In today's session, I will be sharing important dietary guidelines for anyone following our treatment protocol. These recommendations are crucial for maximizing the health benefits of the treatment and achieving better health outcomes. Let us dive right in. Foods to avoid during the treatment protocol. Number one, limit your salt intake. Use no more than 5 grams of salt per day. To manage this, restrict yourself to 1 gram of salt per meal by using a packed sized salt container for precise measurement. Second, avoid oils and fats. Completely eliminate oils and fats from your diet during the treatment. Third, no milk or milk based products. Avoid all dairy products except for curd or yogurt without cream. These can be consumed in a moderation. Fourth, no processed or fried foods. Avoid foods like cookies, biscuits, chips, and other processed, fried, or bakery products. Fifth, limit certain pulses and lentils. Completely avoid red gram and horse gram. Pulses like green gram, chickpea, that is a chana dal, cowpea, beans, etc., should not exceed 5% of your diet. If consumed, they must be boiled and the water used for boiling should be discarded. Avoid coarse grains. Do not consume millets or minor millets during the treatment. Minimize cereals, that is, consumption of rice, chapati, or roti should be limited to no more than 25% of your diet. Cereals like wheat, rice, jowar contains 4 to 13% indigestible proteins that can increase creatinine, urea, and uric acids levels. Additionally, they are high in carbohydrates, around 70%, which can spike blood sugar levels because carbohydrates are like sugars. Eighth, no alcohol, aerated beverages, or sugary drinks. Avoid alcohol, sodas, fruits, juices, tender coconut water, and coconut milk. Instead, opt for leached raw vegetable juice in limited quantities as it has medicinal value. Avoid bananas. While banana should be avoided, banana stem juice is highly beneficial and can be consumed for its medicinal properties. No red meat or skinned chicken. Avoid mutton, beef, pork, and skinned chicken completely. Why these restrictions are important? These dietary guidelines are designed to reduce the load on your kidneys, liver, and digestive system, lower levels of harmful substances like creatinine, urea, and uric acid in the body, regulate blood sugar levels by minimizing high carb and high fat foods, promote better digestion and nutrient absorption by focusing on plant-based and prebiotic-rich foods. By avoiding these foods, you allow your body to heal naturally and maximize the benefits of the treatment protocol. Your diet plays a vital role in your healing journey. Following these guidelines strictly will help you see better results and experience significant improvement in your overall health. If you found this information helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness guidelines. See you in the next video. Thank you.